Okay, my chicken wings just came out of the oven and they really do smell great, don't they, Calvin?
They sure do, Marie. This is going to be fantastic.
Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. It's really beautiful here today and it's supposed to warm up nicely. And so today I'm making some Super Bowl snacks, me and Calvin are. And the first one that I'm going to make is a real easy recipe. It's called Crockpot barbecue chicken wings. And so let me get started on my easy recipe. Okay, I'm going to put my chicken wings in. Okay, it's a really big pot. Okay, I'm going to put this over in the sink. Okay, so I'm going to straighten these wings out a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to pour 1 Coca-Cola over them. How many pounds of chicken wings is this, Calvin?
I think we had almost 3 pounds of chicken wings.
Okay. Okay, I have also some chicken legs in the bottom of my crock pot that I'm going to be cooking with these wings, and I'm going to be cooking this on low for 4 hours, and then when they get done I'm going to bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes and baste them with some barbecue sauce. So let me put the lid on. Okay, I have my wings in my crock pot now, and I have some chicken legs too also on the bottom, and it's going to take about 4 hours for these to cook, and me and Calvin have some errands to do today, and so we also have some more Super Bowl snacks that we are going to make together. So I'll see y'all in a little while. Hi everyone, my chicken wings have been cooking. I just checked on them for about 3 hours. And look who came to see me. Little Miss Addison.
You say hello to Nana?
Hello there. I'm so glad you came.
Say hello.
It won't be long before you can eat some wings.
And help Nana cook.
Addison, can you look up here at the camera? Hi.
Can you say hey?
Hi,
Can
sweetie.
you wave?
Hey, precious. Hi.
Say hey.
Wave at us. I heard you could wave.
Hey. Not gonna wave? There you go. Good girl.
She waved.
Good girl.
That was a sweet wave.
Okay, we just want to show everyone Addison, and we'll get back in here and finish our little visit today.
And this is Kimberly, her mom.
Hello.
And when the wings are done, we'll come back and finish our little appetizers and snacks.
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna stand up for us and be
You
a big girl?
You ready to see Nana?
Aw.
Give hugs.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm back, and my chicken wings have been in the crock pot for 4 hours on low. And so Calvin is over here making the Rotel Dip. So I'm going to put the sauce on my wings and I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to start basting my wings. And this is a cup of Baby Ray's barbecue sauce I'm using.
Marie, that chicken sure does smell good. And this is going to make some great little snacks for Super Bowl, isn't it?
Yeah, the fast and easy way.
And we love the fast and easy way.
Right.
The dip I'm making over here, we're using sausage with this dip today. It's a little different recipe. We've never tried this one, but it's very similar to what we've done before. And so I'll show you how it works here in a few minutes. Looks good, Marie.
We had a little visitor today. Our great-granddaughter came to see us. We certainly enjoyed that, didn't we, Calvin?
Oh, that was so much fun. I think they stayed for about 2 hours, didn't they, Marie?
Yeah. I wish they could have just stayed and
Stayed all evening?
yeah.
Yeah, that would have been nice too.
Okay, move these over a little bit.
Marie, the sausage browning over here, it don't hardly have any grease in it at all. Look how that looks. Don't have
Yes.
any grease at all.
Yeah.
Everybody don't know this, but I like chicken legs better than I do chicken wings. And so I'll probably be eating the chicken legs, won't I, Marie?
Yeah. That's the reason for these chicken legs right now.
We make barbecue chicken legs all the time.
Okay, I think they're ready for the,
Go in the oven?
yeah.
Okay. I'll set those in the oven for you, Marie, and then we'll finish up our Rotel dip. Okay, the sausage is just about browned up, and like I said, I'm going to use sausage in this recipe. I have done it before with just regular hamburger meat, and I've also done it without any meat at all. It's good that way too, but on this particular dip, I want to try some sausage and make it be just a little more spicier. So there's not much grease in here, but let me get this little bit of grease off and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I've got the grease drained off, and now I'm going to be using cream cheese for the cheese in this dip. And I'm going to be using one 8-ounce package of cream cheese. There you go. Okay, so I'm letting this cream cheese start to melt down. This recipe, or a lot of people put Velveeta cheese in this recipe, but we want to try it with cream cheese. And, see how it turns out. I'm gonna add 1 can of the Rotel Tomatoes. We're using the Great Value generic brand, but put the juice and all in there. And then I'm gonna also add just a little bit of chili powders. This is about 1/2 teaspoon of chili powders. Okay, let me start getting this all mixed up. Okay, that's starting to melt down pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one more ingredient to it. Now I guess if you wanted to, you could add a little more cream cheese to it, but to me this looks just like what we want. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cheddar cheese on this also. I think that'll probably be enough. We just want a little bit to give it some yellow color to it. And let this start to melt. Marie, how's your chicken wings coming down there? I seen you basting them just a minute ago. They looking good, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Well, you got just a few more minutes on them?
Mm-hmm. Just a few more minutes.
Okay. Okay, Marie, my dip is done, and I think your chicken's done also, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, let me get this turned off. It's still pretty hot. I'm gonna put in this bowl here, and I'm gonna hope that this bowl will hold all of it. Oh, Marie, I love how that looks.
Yeah, that's really good.
Okay. It's gonna be just a few minutes before we eat it, so I'm gonna get some foil and cover it up to keep it good and hot.
Okay, now I'm going to do my garlic breadsticks. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my butter into my garlic. And mix this up really good. And I already have my pizza dough on my parchment paper, and I've got it spread it out into a rectangle. Get all of that butter too. Okay, I'm just gonna put this all over it.
It looks good, Marie. I love garlic breadsticks.
I know it, I do too, Kevin. I love anything with garlic on it. Okay. Okay, now then I'm going to put on my mozzarella cheese. That dip that you made, Kevin, looks really good. I can't wait to eat some of that.
Yeah, the combination between the chicken and the dip and the breadsticks, we're going to have a very good little meal.
We're going to have some great Super Bowl snacks. Okay.
Sounds like your chicken's almost done.
Yeah.
Perfect timing, Marie.
Okay, so now I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle this over it. We're going to serve this up with some marinara sauce. And if you want to, you can put garlic on this, real garlic on this. Okay, so now I'm going to put some oregano leaves. Okay, we're going to cut these breadsticks up into as close as we can to 16 pieces. Okay, my breadsticks are ready to go in the oven now, so I'm going to cook them at 425 degrees for about 12 minutes. Okay, my chicken wings just came out of the oven, and they really do smell great, don't they, Calvin?
They sure do, Marie. This is going to be fantastic.
And we're cooking these snacks for the Super Bowl just to show you some fast and easy snacks that you can have for the Super Bowl. So I think we're going to really love the breadsticks and the marinara sauce and also the cheese dip. I think these are going to be some really good party snacks. And so I don't know which team you're pulling for, the Los Angeles Rams or the Cincinnati Bengals, but whichever team you're pulling for, I hope that that team wins. I'll be diplomatic about it. Okay, so let me get over here and get the rest of my recipes finished. Okay, I've got all of my Super Bowl snacks here in my plate right now. I got my wings and my garlic bread, and Calvin made this Rotel Dip. Then I have my chips and celery, my marinara sauce, and my ranch dip. So I'm ready to party and may our best team win. And so I know who I'm pulling for, and I'm sure you do too. So let me get in here and eat this. I'm not going to do a taste test today because it's not going to be real glamorous tasting my chicken wings on camera. But they just look good and smell good, and I can't wait to eat them. I'm going to end this video right now, so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video, and may the best team win. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me